Hi there, I'm Flappers the Falcon and my buddy Patrick the Peregrine. Today we're going to learn about some basic facts about the peregrine falcon.
Are you ready to learn all about peregrine falcons? The scientific name for a peregrine falcon is Falco peregrinus. That sounds more like my PlayStation username, but I guess scientists have a good taste in names. Falco comes from the Latin word falx, meaning sickle shape. This refers to the shape of the falcon's wings, beak, or talons. Peregrinus comes from the Latin word for traveling or wandering, which is a reference to the fact that a lot of young peregrines migrate or move to a different area depending on the seasons. There are a lot of different subspecies or types of peregrine falcons. The most common type in North America is the American peregrine. The scientific name is Falco peregrinus anatum. Anatum is a Latin word meaning eater of ducks, which is what peregrines do. That's why they're also called duckhawks. Other nicknames for the peregrine falcon include bullet hawk and ledge hawk. Bullet hawk is used because the peregrine, just like Superman, flies very fast. In fact, peregrine falcons are the fastest animal on Earth when they dive, reaching speeds of over 240 miles per hour. That's faster than a race car in the Indy 500. Ledge hawk is used because falcons nest on the ledges of cliffs and buildings. Check out our habitat video for more info on that. Peregrine falcons are part of a group called birds of prey, which are birds that chase down other animals for food. They are also called raptors. No, not the cool dinosaurs from Jurassic World. These raptors are birds that evolved from a common ancestor, a bird that lived on land and ate vertebrates, or animals with backbones, and many of that ancestor's descendants continue to have a raptorial lifestyle, meaning they also eat vertebrates. The word raptor comes from the Latin word raptare, meaning to seize and carry off, which is how these birds grasp and carry their prey using their feet. There are 5 orders or types of raptors. Accipitriforms, which are hawks, eagles, and Old World vultures. Periamiforms, which are seriamas. Cathartiforms, which are New World vultures. Falconiforms, which are falcons, and strigiforms, which are owls. Accipitriforms, periamiforms, cathartiforms, and falconiforms are diurnal, which means they are active during the day. Strigiforms are nocturnal, which means they are active during the night. How big is a peregrine falcon? Well, peregrine falcons have something called sexual dimorphism, meaning that males and females have different sizes or appearances. With peregrine falcons, it's the size difference. Male falcons are about 1/3 smaller than female falcons, which is why they are often called tiercels. That's an old word that means third. Male falcons are 15 to 18 inches long, with a wingspan of 35 to 42 inches long. Females are 18 to 20 inches long, with a wingspan of 42 to 48 inches long. Try measuring yourself and see how tall you are compared to a peregrine falcon.